Action.
All right. On May the 22nd, 2019, I took a test with the Culver City Sanitation Department for a position called Scout Operator Driver, something to that effect. Anyway, we had to take this sandbag agility test. So the way they had it set up was it allowed them to discriminate against people who they didn't want to hire. And California Government Code 12940K says that employers have to take every measure necessary to prevent discrimination, and it's mandatory. It's not a suggestion, it's the law. But Culver City clearly did everything to allow discrimination to happen. This is what they did. Culver City female employees, 2 black women, they sat here at a table. The Hispanic guy took each applicant who was taking the sandbag agility test over there where those white bags are on the ground. Clearly, he had a stopwatch. He had a palm-sized stopwatch. So these other Culver City employees can't verify the time that each applicant completed the test because they couldn't see the palm-sized stopwatch, which is against the law. They should have used one of those big digital display clocks and then had all the applicants who were going to take the test come stand next to the guy who was taking the test so everybody can see what's going on. That's being transparent, right? But instead, see that blue truck over there? They had all the applicants who was going to take the test next stand over there, so we couldn't see what was going on over here. So this type of setup allowed that guy to take friends and relatives over there, or people who pay them money, over there in privacy, and take the sandbag agility test, and then say that they passed it, even if they didn't, because nobody can see the palm-sized stopwatch but him. So each applicant's timing, the time that they completed the sandbag agility test, is the test giver's secret, and that's against the law. The law says 12940K, California Government Code, employers are to take all necessary measures to prevent discrimination from happening. Clearly, by allowing this man to take applicants over there by themselves in an isolated area to take the test, they permitted discrimination to take place, and that's against the law. So what they said was they eliminated me from the hiring process because I couldn't complete this sandbag agility test, which is 6 sets in 3 minutes. Up and down, they had a table, but I don't have a table. I'm just gonna use a car. Up and down, all bags up and down, one time, it's 1 set. So we have to do 6 sets in 3 minutes. And over there, past that blue truck, is where all the other applicants stood. So this is isolation right here. He wasn't supposed to isolate us and test us. He was supposed to be transparent so everybody could see what was going on. They did that so they could discriminate against certain people. Hire who they want to hire, not hire who they don't want to hire. So again, the reason for them eliminating me from the hiring process was I could not complete the sandbag agility test. 6 sets in 3 minutes. I'm gonna prove them. I'm gonna show you right now that I did it. I got another video and showed them that I can do it. They lied. They discriminated against me because I was black. That's the reason why they eliminated me from the hiring process. And let me show you that I can complete the test that they said I couldn't complete. 6 sets in 3 minutes, okay? They discriminated against me. That's why they eliminated me, not because I can't complete this test. 6 sets in 3 minutes, ready? That's 1 set. That's 2 sets. That's 3 sets. 4 sets. That's 5 sets. That's 6 sets. 6 sets I just did. Six sets was the requirement for the extra set. Seven sets in under 3 minutes, which proves that Culver City lied. The reason they eliminated me from the hiring process because I'm black, not because I couldn't do 6 sets of the sandbag agility test. I just did 7 sets in under 3 minutes, and all they required for us to do was 6 sets in under 3 minutes. So the pretext that they used, the lie that they used for eliminating me from the hiring process was I could not do 6 sets of the sandbag agility test in under 3 minutes. I just proved that wrong. So that witness, that testimony has just been impeached. They lied. They eliminated me because I was black. You just saw with your own eyes me do 6, 7 sets in under 3 minutes. Culver City lied. They broke the law. They violated Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, discrimination, and again, Government Code 12940K. They violated that as well because they didn't take all necessary measures to prevent discrimination. I'm testing here. All the applicants are over there. They can't tell what time I did it in. And over here are all the other Culver City employees. They don't know what this guy did over here with a palm-sized stopwatch, but I know what he did. He lied. And the reason why Culver City set it up like this is so they can discriminate against people and eliminate who they wanted to eliminate from the hiring process. And all those who worked in conjunction with this guy, Culver City officials, they're all guilty of discrimination because they permitted this thing to happen. They planned this. They planned to do it this way so that way they can weed out who they didn't want to hire and bring in who they wanted to hire. The Spanish guy gave the test. Oh, by the way, just so happens all the Spanish guys who took the test passed it. But I didn't, and I've been working out since I was 19 years old. I'm in superb shape. I run every day. Rickey Reed versus the Culver City government. Rickey Reed versus Culver City. Look it up on YouTube. I'm going to put this video on YouTube. It's going to be Rickey Reed versus the city of Culver City. You'll be able to see this thing. Thank you.